Is your HP Envy 6555E printer acting up again, and this time by not printing? Yeah, that's another common issue that every HP printer owner might face sometimes. This problem usually happens because of the change in default settings, outdated printer drivers, or print job that got stuck in the queue. In today's video, we're going to look into all three of these issues and fix them one by one. For one-on-one assistance, just call up the numbers displayed on the screen. If you're sticking with me, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go to your computer and click on the Start menu. Now, search for printers and scanners in the search box and click on Open. Scroll down to find the option that says Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck that box. You want to manually control which printer is default. Next, scroll back up and find your HP printer from the list of available printers. Click on Manage. Finally, select Set as Default option from the menu that appears. If setting the printer to the default printer fixed your issue, awesome. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. If your printer is still not printing, don't worry. Let's check if there are pending print jobs that need to be cancelled. Method 2. Cancel all HP printer jobs. On your computer, double-click the printer icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you don't see the printer icon there, click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. In the new window that opens, you'll see a list of any pending print jobs. Right-click on that job that's stuck and select Cancel from the option that appears. When a confirmation box pops up asking if you're sure, click Yes to confirm the cancellation. If the error still persists even after clearing the queue, let's move on to updating your printer driver. Method 3. Update printer driver. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager in the search box and open it. In the Device Manager window, look for and expand the Print Queues section. Now, find your HP printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then go out and check for the latest driver updates for your printer and install them automatically. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.